Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something a little different. It's still a haul, but this is gonna be all the souvenirs and dumb stuff I bought while in Europe. So I did 2 months in Europe, and I feel like for the most part, souvenirs are kind of dumb and a waste of money. But I was like, I've never been here. I don't think I'm ever gonna come back. I was kind of like, let me make this like a YOLO last holiday kind of trip. So I was like, let me pick up some little things here and there. And in my mind, I was like, ooh, I'll get Christmas ornaments everywhere I went. And like, that'll be my thing. And like, when I move out, like I'll have all these ornaments. Like, so I decided on Christmas ornaments. It was good for the most part, but then there was other stuff I wanted to pick up. So I'll just show you everything I got. But for the most part, I was going for Christmas ornaments. For now, I feel like Peter Mon, I will show you what I got in Europe. You might as well start with the fan. So this was from Barcelona. This was my last stop on my trip, and it was hot as balls. It was June in Barcelona. The hostel I was staying at had AC, but it wasn't good, and they didn't have it on all the time. Like, you had to ask for them to put it on. So it was really hot. And these were all over. All the street vendors had these. So these were around 2 or 3 euros. For most of the things I bought, I would buy it and then see it for way cheaper about 5 minutes later. So I think I spent 3 euros on this. There was a woman selling these. They had all different kinds of designs. Like, so some were more rainbow, some were full purple, but I was like, I like this fuchsia, you know, fan. So I was sitting in the lobby of the hostel, like fanning myself off, and some guy was like, did you pay for that? I was like, yeah, why? He's like, I thought it fell off the wall and that you were using it, because the hostel we were staying at, it was theatrically themed, so there was kind of stuff like this like hanging on the wall, so he thought I was using a decoration to fan myself. But no, I paid for this and it's functional. So I did get the use out of it, and it's cute, and maybe one day I will use it as a wall decoration. All right, next, in Paris, I just wanted to go to the Eiffel Tower, I wanted to eat a baguette, and I wanted to wear a beret. So I did all those things. So I just bought a simple black beret. So it's that felt material, no stretch, and I got a big head, but it did get on. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I don't want to screw up my hair, but I did end up wearing this. At some point in my life, I will edit my travel vlogs. They're really good, I'm just really lazy, but you will see me in a beret in Paris. I fulfilled my destiny in Paris, but I did get this off, again, like a street vendor. I feel like I could have went more authentic and gotten it somewhere else, but I think this was like 7, maybe 10 euros. So I was like, okay. And I feel like it's more authentic because I actually got it in Paris, even though it was from someone who's definitely not from Paris and who ordered it from a wholesale website, but I did buy it in Paris. All right, I'm just grabbing stuff at the random, so it's not gonna be in any specific order. I went to the Heineken experience in Amsterdam, and at that point, it was one of my last few things I was doing in Amsterdam, and I realized I hadn't gotten a souvenir from Amsterdam yet. So I was like, let me just get a beer koozie. My dad loves Heinekens anyways, so I was like, this will be for my dad. So just like a regular Heineken koozie. I think there's another Heineken item in there, but it is buried, but we'll get back to that. Check out this box. So this was in my suitcase for 2 months, because this is from Ireland, which is one of the first places I went. I didn't really plan ahead on suitcase room, so when you're, you know, planning what you want to kind of go for, like I said, I wanted to do Christmas ornaments. I probably should have planned a little better. I also probably should have just went with like postcards, because that would have been cheaper and a lot easier to lug around, but I went for the Christmas ornaments. So this one's just like a very simple ball, and it's from Ireland, so I got this at the Blarney Castle. We kissed the Blarney Stone. So, you know, the full Irish experience in my motherland. So I just got an Ireland ball, even though that is regrets. This is so plain. I probably could have bought this at the Christmas tree shop in New Jersey, but it's authentic and I know it's from Ireland, so, you know, that's all that matters. Okay, 2 things. So I went to the Vatican. Oh my God. I went to the Vatican, and I was like, I have to get a rosary while I'm here. Like, you have to. Years ago, my grandma went to the Vatican. I'm like, just get me a cross. I want like a full-on Jesus from the Vatican. Like, that's legit Jesus. So she got me a cross from the Vatican. So then, like, when I went to the Vatican, I was like, I want like a really nice rosary. I think I have a rosary. This is, you know, how good of a Catholic I am. I think I own one that I got my communion 1,000 years ago, but I don't know where it is. So I was like, let me get an authentic, blessed by the Pope, rosary. So I got one in a store in the Vatican, and then I noticed it was kind of sketchy. I had already bought it by then, but I was like, this place is a little sketchy. And then I went into the Basilica, and there was a gift shop in there, and they were cheaper. So I got one in the Basilica too, just to like cover my Catholic bases. I was like, let me make sure I'm super blessed. So the first one is a red beaded rosary. I want to say we got Mary chilling right here, and then we got Jesus. So there was a bunch of different things, because like on some of these where that is, that you'd have Jesus, some you'd have Mary, some you'd have other things. So I don't know if there's like a specific way to do it. And then some of the crosses, all the crosses were different. And I'm like, what kind of Jesus do I want? So this is like a really nice, intricate kind of cross. So I really like that kind of cross. And then this one, can I open it? Let's see. Oh, cute. This one is a little bit more of a plain cross. So that one was more, it had the intricate stuff. This one is truly just like a beam and a beam and a Jesus. So if you can see that difference there of the crosses. So they all are a little different. And even this one, in that middle piece, that other one was a pendant, whereas this one is like a statue of Mary. So everything was a little different. So I did have a hard time choosing what I wanted. I also was like, bead color, I don't know. I did go for a white, and then I went for a red. One of these I will be giving to my aunt. I think she would really appreciate that. So again, we're back to our Christmas ornaments. I was my last day in London, and I hadn't found any yet. And I even went to like the touristy, like there's a pencil with Big Ben on it, kind of like just shit shacks. And I couldn't find any Christmas ornaments. And I did experience that a lot during my trip, because they're like, it's not really Christmas season. I'm like, you should have them at all times. So this one is from Kensington Palace. It is a bus, a really plush, look how thick that is. So it's like a plush bus with the British flag. So like very British. So I did kind of like that it was like kitschy and like very souvenir. I kind of like that. Just the price on this one. So I got this at Kensington Palace. It was my last day. I didn't really know if I was gonna have time to get another one. So this one is like Kensington Palace price. And then when it went, I looked at my credit card statement, it was back to US dollars. This was like 21 US dollars. A ripoff. Like, would you in your right mind spend $20 on one Christmas ornament? No. But I was, you know, London was the first part of my trip too. So I was like, whatever, it's fine. And the exchange rate hadn't really hit me at that point. And when I saw it, God, but it's too late. It is cute. But I spent a lot of money on this. If you want to see a video of things I regret spending money on, let me know. Because actually I've made a full list. I know this is an ornament, but it's wrapped. So it's kind of like Christmas right now, that we're just going to see what we got in here. I think this is from Switzerland. I was in Switzerland for about 24 hours. My Airbnb host kidnapped me. I'm not even like shitting you for dramatic effect. It actually happened. So if you'd like a story time about that, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. So I had like a little bit of time debriefing from that scenario. I walked around Lucerne, Switzerland. So I just got a wooden little ornament. So it has the bridge and the tower, and I think some mountains, yeah, up here, and says Lucerne. So cute little easy. I think this was like €3. So just a little reminder of my time in Switzerland. Another little ornament. This is from Capri. This was my favorite stop on my trip in Italy. So it's an island, so I got a boat. So cute little ornament there. Here we go. Heineken beer opener from the Heineken factory. And in my mind, I'm just gonna hang this on my Christmas tree. So there we go. What else we got? Oh, oh my God. I'm a fatty and I forgot I had chocolate in my room. So I think I got this in Ireland. So it is a Guinness dark chocolate bar. You know, I was on a cruise ship and we stopped in Ireland, and you know, I did my Blarney Stone thing, but then right by the boat dock, we all, like everyone on the ship was just doing bar crawls. So we got a little hosed, and then I went crazy at a gift shop. So there is a lot of like random stuff from Ireland. And I think this was one of them. And I was like, woohoo, chocolate. So Guinness chocolate bar, and I totally forgot about this, and I'm so jazzed I just found it because I love chocolate. I love dark chocolate. So this is gonna last maybe 30 more minutes in this room, but that's a pleasant surprise. Okay, yeah, here's more Ireland stuff that I drunk bought. So this one is a necklace with a clover on it. So just like a cute little simple necklace. So my uncle died and he had a tattoo of a clover, and like when you see a clover, like, oh, it's Uncle Harry. So I was like, oh my God, it's Uncle Harry. So I had to buy it, and I'm gonna give this to his wife, and you know, straight from Ireland, so it's like legit, even though it's from a gift shop. But again, like, it's the thought, you know, it makes it legit because it actually came from the country in my mind. So I got that because I was like, oh my God, it's a sign from Uncle Harry, you know, one of those. And then I got a cross from Ireland, and it has the green little emerald in the middle. I'm having so much trouble with the focus, guys. I'm so sorry. It's a cross with a green little gem. We get it. Very excited about this and to finally break these open. In England, I found the cutest tea shop, and I was like, I gotta get English tea. You have to. So, and I just love the packaging on this. So even when I'm done with this tea, this will be a cute little decorative item in my house. So this is English fine tea. It's breakfast tea. I just really think this dusty pink is cute, and then, you know, it's a cute little box. I love tea. I do not drink coffee. I've never had a coffee in my entire life. So I'm a tea person by default. So I picked this up, and again, I think this is gonna look really cute when it's all done and just be like a cute little piece in my kitchen. Oh my God, I didn't stop when I was in Ireland, did I? So I got a claddagh, you know, the hands on the thing. So a claddagh necklace. These will be given out as like gifts. I don't really wear necklaces. So like any of those Irish things will be given out. Oh, I really went ham when I was drunk. Oh my God. Another Ireland thing. So this is a little, you know when you put your spoon or like your tea bag on a thing just to rest it? It's like a little saucer. So this is the Irish blessing. I do love the Irish blessing. So it's like, may the road rise to meet you, may the wind always be on your back. That one, I really love that, and I have for years. So when I saw that, I was like, I have to, and it's a good little home item. Obviously I am Irish, so it's cute to have little Irish, you know, knickknacks. I am a big knickknack person, and it's been very hard for me. I've been trying to save money, so it's very hard for me not to buy knickknacks. So I felt like that was a good excuse to buy a knickknack. Oh God, another Ireland thing. Ireland was in the beginning of my trip, so I was more whoopity-doo with my money. So this is a Blarney Castle ornament. So it's a sleigh with all the Irish stuff in there. So you got the Blarney Castle and some presents, but you know, a run-of-the-mill Christmas ornament. I got the beret in Paris, and then I of course needed a Christmas ornament. This one was a little too overpriced. Again, it wasn't 20 US dollars. It was like 5 euros, but still for this little thing, but a cute little Paris item. So, you know, it's like a little ring, a wreath with the Eiffel Tower in there. Paris was a big deal to me. So I needed the proof that I was there on my Christmas tree for years to come. There are a bunch of stops where I didn't get stuff. So I'm like, ooh, how do I proceed? Because I kind of do want something from everywhere. This is much like the Heineken thing. This is a keychain, but I was like, I'll just hang it on my tree. This is Barcelona. So it's got the vibrant colors, the cityscape in here. It will never focus. Come on. All right, come on. Oh, here we go. So a cute little Barcelona thing. It's a keychain, but I'm gonna put on a tree. Ooh, the fan is right here, so I'm getting like Darth Vader voice when I put my head this way. This I got at Stonehenge. So Stonehenge, England. That, you know, wonder of the world. So it's all those rocks. So I thought that was like an easy ornament. And then finally I got the Leaning Tower of Pisa, another ornament. This one, again, overpriced. This was like 3 or 4 euros, and then I went, so I stopped in another place to get a soda, and they had this exact thing for 1 euro, and I was like, if only I'd waited. But you know, you don't know what you're gonna come across when you're doing that kind of stuff. And oh God, the gift shop I bought this in smelled so bad. I still remember how bad it smelled. You know, those memories never leave you. And then I just have, oh, where is it? I'm gonna get it, it's cute. Out of my 2 months in Europe, my absolute favorite day was when I took a cooking class in Florence, Italy. So at the very end, they give you a certificate of participation, and we were a little wine drunk at that point. So we're like, oh my God, I forgot my cap and gown. Like, we like made a way big deal about this, but it's like sealed and stuff. And we made a dessert with lavender in it. So we got a bag of lavender. This looks like a bag of drugs. How did I get through the airport? But a bag of lavender. It smells so good. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe I'll plant it in my backyard. What do you do with lavender things? But this was like a really cute day. It was an Airbnb experience. I will leave the link for it. I think I can find it. I will leave the link for that down below. So if you're ever, you know, cross the pond in Italy, definitely do it. It was my favorite day. We made our own pasta. We made our own ravioli. We ate like pigs. It was just like the best day. And the guys who run it are so fun. So that was my favorite day of my whole trip. So I highly recommend it. And I think I might have an Airbnb like $10 off code. I don't know if those work on experiences, but I'll leave a link down below for that too. So yeah, that is my crap I bought while in Europe. If you like that, let me know. If you want more travel content, let me know. I can do, you know, things about money, things about traveling alone, things about being a single girl traveling alone. So if you want more travel-y kind of content, let me know. Actually, I'm gonna do it anyways, so, but let me know if you're gonna watch it. So hope you guys like that like different kind of haul, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.